So hi everyone, today I show you a simple Python program that check if a person is an adult or a minor. First, we set the variable age to 18, then we use an if else statement to make a decision. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, Python print you are an adult. Otherwise, it prints you are a minor. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, Python prints you are adult. Then the program helps us understand how Python makes decisions using condition. And that's it. You just learn how to use if else and else is Python. Try changing the age number and see how the result changes.